Hi everyone, it's Vicky here from OT. Today we're going to work on a really great skill looking at folding clothes. This is a fantastic skill to work on increasing independence, helping out at home, and we're going to be able to turn this really messy pile of clothing into a nice neat folded pile, which means we can fit our clothes really nicely into the drawers and got nice smart clothes to wear every day. So what I've got here for this activity are just 3 items. So we've got a handkerchief, which is not too big, and it's a square shape. We've got a pillowcase, which is quite a bit bigger and is a rectangle shape. And I've got a t-shirt, there we go, which is a slightly different shape with different edges to it. So we're going to start with the small size, which is the handkerchief, and we're going to practice laying it out on the table. And first of all, I want you to use your hands to really smoothen out and flatten out all the creases in the hanky. Then we're going to start folding it. So we're going to reach. This is great for our reach and our fine motor skills. We're going to grip the edges and fold it over towards us. And once again, we're going to flatten it out using both hands. Turn the hanky round. And then again, we're doing that reach and that grip and bringing it towards us. Flattening out again, so we've now got a square again, as you can see. Going to use our pincer grip and fold again, flatten it out again, and then one last turn around, and this is the slightly tricky fold, and you may find you have to put a hand on one side of the hanky to fold it over. And there we go, there's our very neatly folded hanky. So next, we have got a bigger item, and you will see when I'm doing this, I'll do it a little bit quicker this time. It's really big, so we're going to get lots of reaching to the corners, reaching out to the edges, which is great for our gross motor skills. Flattening out all the creases again, using our pincer grip, and we're folding over towards us, flattening out, turning it around, folding. We can fold away from us like I have done there if you like, if you don't want to fold towards you. Flattening out again, and then last of all our final fold. There we have our nice flat pillowcase. And then our final item is a t-shirt. So this is a little bit more tricky because we've got arms on it. It's not a regular shape. And it is really useful, as you can see in this exercise, doing it on a big flat table. So we've got lots of area to rest our garment on. So we're flattening out the creases again. We're then going to take the furthest corners, big reach, and folding over towards us. Flattening out the creases again. And our nearest corners, folding over. Flattening out again. And then our final fold in the middle again, like the handkerchief, putting a hand where we want to fold, and over it goes. So we're crossing over midline as well there. And there's our t-shirt. So there is our nicely neat pile of folded clothes. So you can grade this with different clothing items, different sizes, different materials, different fabrics, but go and have fun and have some good time helping out at home. Well done, guys.